How to create a new TikTok account. So if you want to create a new TikTok account, then first make sure that you have already installed the TikTok application from your Play Store or your App Store. And make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your app, you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. You need to go for the settings and privacy, and you can tap on switch account, or you can tap on log out to create a new account. So if you don't have any accounts, then after opening your TikTok account, you will have this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is simply tap on login. And once you tap on login, here on the bottom right of your screen, you will have sign up option. So if you want to create a TikTok account, then simply tap on sign up. Once you tap on sign up, you can sign up for TikTok with your mobile number, or you can continue with your email, Facebook, or Google. So I'll be choosing my email. So tap on continue with email, and you need to enter your email address. So I'll be choosing my email address, and then tap on send code. And once you tap on send code, you will receive a code to the email address that you have just entered. And after entering that code, you'll be able to create an account. So you need to enter your password and your account will be created. But you can also go with your phone number. So enter your phone number. So once you've entered, or once you've choose your number, email, or your Google account, then you will have this kind of interface where you need to simply go with your birthday. So first enter your birthday and then tap on next, and you need to create a nickname. So I'll be choosing a nickname and then tap on continue or confirm, and that's it. So the easiest way to create your TikTok account is by tapping on continue with Google, because if you tap on continue with Google, Google will take or TikTok will take all of your information from your Google, and it will enter that information on your TikTok, and you won't have to enter your password or your name like that. So it will take all of the information like name and password from your Google, and it will create your account on TikTok. So if you choose continue with Google, then you will have to just enter your birthday and then your nickname. And if you tap on confirm, your account will be created. So that's how you can create a TikTok account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.